Brick rancher on 0.75 acres in town of Mathews. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, large eat-in kitchen, laundry area, spacious living room, and a sunroom. This home offers brick fireplace, hardwood floors, tile bathroom, central HVAC, on-county sewer, and large picture window for lots of light. This home also offers a 1-car detached garage with a nice breezeway to the house. You will enjoy the large backyard for gardens and entertaining. You are so close to everything in town: shopping, restaurants, post office, schools, and churches. This makes a great starter home or retirement home. Just come put your touch on the house and start making memories in your new home.